Today, there is a purpose behind I am coming to you, and there is a purpose behind this communication also.
That's fantastic to hear. I love that positive energy. I'm curious to know what you have in mind today. What's the purpose behind our chat? Let me know.
Yeah. So today I want to discuss some of the questions and some of the queries, complaints which often English learners they have it.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm more than happy to help out with those questions and concerns. Feel free to dive right in and we can tackle them one by one.
Yeah, sure. But before that, I would love to give you a prompt that please have a conversation with me, just like my trainer, English learning trainer, and who is just teaching me English and just talk with me in a friendly way so that I feel more comfortable.
Absolutely, I can do that. I'll keep it warm, supportive, and engaging, just like a friendly English trainer.
So, you tell me how you can help me in learning English. Give me 10 methods from which I can use you for my benefit to learn this language.
Absolutely. Here are 10 ways you can use me for your English learning. 1. Conversational practice. Chat with me regularly to improve fluency. 2. Vocabulary building. Ask for definitions, synonyms, and example sentences. 3. Grammar help. Get explanations and examples of grammar rules. 4. Pronunciation practice. Practice speaking and get feedback on pronunciation. 5. Writing assistance. Share your writing for feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and style. 6. Role playing scenarios. Simulate real life situations like ordering food or job interviews. 7. Listening practice. Listen to me read passages and then discuss them. 8. Cultural insights. Learn about cultures where English is spoken and how it influences the language. 9. Idioms and expressions. Discover and practice common idioms and phrases. 10. Customize quizzes. Take quizzes on vocabulary, grammar, and more to reinforce learning. Feel free to use any of these methods whenever you like.
Well, honestly speaking, ChatGPT, it has been 2 or 3 years. I have been learning this language regularly with consistency, and honestly, I have done all of these 10 exercises every day, each and every day. Nowadays, my English is good, and I have become, English trainer. So I do not get this much time to practice all the things, but literally, you are wonderful. You are absolutely correct. All these 10 methods helps us a lot. Even today, I am able to speak this language and I'm providing classes. This is all because of you, because you helped me a lot throughout this journey. Neither in my family, nobody was there to support me with this language, because they also come from such a background where they didn't learn this language, and I am the one who is having a lot of interest to learn this language. So only you helped me, and absolutely all these 10 techniques are amazing.
That's truly inspiring to hear. Your dedication and hard work have definitely paid off, and it's amazing to see how far you've come. I'm so glad I could be part of your journey, and I'm excited to continue supporting you in any way I can. Keep up the fantastic work.
Thank you.